Are you tired of struggling to build profitable affiliate sites? Most people waste hours or spend hundreds of dollars on freelancers and search engine optimization services just to see little or no results. But what if you could launch a fully automated affiliate site in just minutes with zero manual work? Meet CB Sites 2.0, powered by revolutionary Gemini 2.5 Pro artificial intelligence technology. In only 3 clicks, this platform creates done-for-you affiliate sites for ClickBank, WarriorPlus, and JVZoo. Gemini 2.5 Pro handles everything, from content creation and search engine ranking to site monetization. There is no need for technical skills or previous experience. Simply choose your niche, click a few buttons, and your site is ready to start earning. CB Sites 2.0 is designed to be completely newbie-friendly. Forget about hiring expensive writers or search engine optimization experts. The artificial intelligence generates high-quality, monetized content that ranks and converts. You save time, avoid extra costs, and can finally focus on growing your affiliate income. Real users are seeing results. I launched my first site in minutes and made my first commission the same day, said Michael T. Others praise the simplicity and hands-free automation. Try CB Sites 2.0 risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Take action now and let artificial intelligence do the hard work for you.